Welcome back to Luxury 1272, your go-to source for the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we'll be diving into the 2025 Suzuki Jimny Sierra, a vehicle that stays true to its roots while bringing a modern twist to its exterior design. Starting with its unmistakable boxy shape, the 2025 Jimny Sierra takes a no-nonsense approach, drawing inspiration from classic off-roaders. Its compact dimensions, with a length of around 3.5 meters and a wide stance, give it a rugged yet approachable look. This isn't just for aesthetics, though. The design plays a critical role in its off-road capability, allowing for easy maneuverability through tight spaces and difficult terrain. The front of the Jimny Sierra remains iconic, sporting a 5-slot vertical grille that instantly reminds you of its heritage. The round LED headlights with their retro appeal blend seamlessly with modern technology to provide excellent visibility in all conditions. The blacked-out bumper adds to its toughness while improving approach angles, ensuring you can tackle any obstacle head-on. Moving to the side profile, you'll notice it's flat, almost military-like design. The flared wheel arches house chunky 15 or 16-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires that are ready to tackle any surface, whether you're driving through a city or exploring a mountain trail. The Jimny Sierra's exterior build is designed to handle it all. The raised ground clearance of 210 millimeters gives it an aggressive stance, but more importantly, it's practical for off-roading. The rear of the Jimny Sierra stays consistent with the rest of the design, featuring a tailgate-mounted spare wheel, a nod to its rugged lineage. The square-shaped LED taillights are housed in the rear bumper, enhancing the vehicle's practicality and style. The tailgate swings open horizontally, just like an old-school 4X4, adding to its unique character. When we look at the overall design philosophy, Suzuki has stayed true to the essence of what makes the Jimny Sierra special: its heritage as a small but capable off-roader. With its bold and functional exterior, the 2025 model continues to embody the spirit of adventure, making it one of the most distinctive and capable off-road vehicles in its class.